one at the center, the helmet shampoo is something I think it's the first of sorts. While you had multiple other shampoos getting created, the helmet as a shampoo is the first of its lot that we are actually launching in India today. And true to its spirit, I think Kevin Care leads this innovation. Many other brands have come in this space, but they have not attempted this particular unique attempt, and therefore I think this is the first launch that we're bringing in from bikers' perspective. So three variants that we're launching, with the hero variant being the helmet one. Why is it called the helmet shampoo? Because when you wear a helmet and you travel for a long time, the whole texture of the hair changes, the problems that the hair faces in terms of dandruff and other stuff changes. This is a particular product aimed at being able to provide a solution to men for this. And we believe at large this is a huge mass market opportunity that we have. Over a period of time, this would probably scale up to be one of our hero brands as we think. And that's one of the hero propositions that we bring in. However, it's not limited only to this portfolio. In line with the other trends that we see on grooming, which is across skincare, which is across looking at face, looking at the rest of the body, we also have other ranges that will come in over a period of time. And some of these are getting launched as we speak, the shower gels, the beard styling oils, as well as the beard cream as well. So in a nutshell, this is our attempt to get into a new category. This is in a way the company redefining some of its areas that we've not necessarily focused on in the past, and bringing in a sharper focus towards the new consumer segments, making ourselves relevant in today's scenario to a lot more consumer segments, and being able to actually get closer to an opportunity that we feel is a big opportunity as we move forward in the industry. Yeah, this is the full range as we speak. As we get into the launch phase, we would see a lot of the whole range coming in, including shampoos, beard oil, beard gel, the beard grooming segment, the face care segment, the body care segment. As we speak, over a period of time, these products would be available, and we would be actually making these available across all formats of stores, general trade, modern trade, as well as in e-commerce as well. So thank you, and that's from my side. Thank you, thanks a lot.
Men in general don't have shampoos. அதாவது ஆண்களுக்கான பிரத்யேக ஷாம்பூன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எந்த பிராண்ட்லையுமே கிடையாது. What we are looking at is, can we have a brand very specific to men? Why men? Because men or the hair problems are very different from women, and therefore we said, can we launch a shampoo for men? And Kevin Care Nirvanam shampoo மற்றும் personal care products we've been doing a lot of research for the last 30 years plus. As an output of that, we have launched this brand. இந்த பிராண்டோட பேர் பைக்கர்ஸ். இது வெறும் ஷாம்பூ மட்டும் கிடையாது, மற்ற எல்லா பர்சனல் கேர் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸும் இந்த பிராண்டின் வாயிலாக நாங்கள் கன்சியூமர்ஸ்க்கு கொண்டு போவோம். Why bikers? What is special? This is the first time for men ஒரு பிரத்யேக ஷாம்பூ லான்ச் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. We've had a lot of cream, face cream பார்த்துருக்கலாம். We would have seen a lot of other categories for men. But in shampoo, this is the first time that a specific brand is getting launched for men. And we believe this is a good opportunity for us to leverage this. In the product will be available across all channels, general trade, modern trade, e-commerce as well. In the category பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, men's as a category பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, across both urban and rural, it is a very fast growing category. And very particularly பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, இது வந்து வெறும் நகரத்துக்கான ப்ராடக்ட் மட்டும் கிடையாது. If you go down the small towns, beyond the bigger towns, across India பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, beyond the metros, if you start going to the smaller towns, we see a lot of these products being bought by men. And therefore, this product is going to be available across the country. In the brand, in the product, across the country, all channels, it will be made available. We believe this is a big opportunity for Kevin Care. We look forward to all your support. Thank you. So Kevin Care Nirvanam பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, we reach almost 10 lakh outlets. ஜென்ரல் ட்ரேடை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் நீங்கள் பக்கத்தில் நம்ம பக்கத்து கடை கிரானா ஸ்டோர் இருக்குது, இல்லை சூப்பர் மார்க்கெட்ஸ் இருக்குது. இந்த மாதிரி we reach almost 10 lakh stores. In addition to that, we also reach almost 100% of the modern trade stores, right? And we are also present in e-commerce. So in the product, in the brand will be available across all types of stores. Almost 10 lakh store irukku. We will try to reach all the 10 lakh stores soon. We will also be available in modern trade and e-commerce. So இதோட ஒரு விசேஷம் என்னன்னா, while நாங்கள் இந்த ப்ராடக்ட்டை நாங்கள் ப்ரீமியம் ப்ராடக்டாக லான்ச் பண்ணாலும், we also brought this product into sachets. So in the product, shampoo in particular will be available in sachet as well. So that sachet product would be available across the market.